Hey man, what's up, boy? It's your boy Ju, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to goddamn Ju Cuts. I'm here bringing y'all another video. It's not a cut video, but it's a tip video. This video is about 7 tips on cutting your own hair for beginners. I wish somebody would have told me this when I started cutting my hair, but I'm gonna be the one to tell y'all. So here we go, 7 tips on cutting your own hair for beginners. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and for the new watchers, the new viewers, I know y'all be watching, bro, and I know y'all not subscribed. So before I even continue this video, y'all better be subscribed, you feel me? Since y'all subscribe, like the video and hit that bell post notice. Alright, let's continue with the video. First tip, number 1 tip, first tip, watch tutorials, you know what I'm saying? Watch your tutorials, watch tutorials on how to cut your hair. That's why I got them. I got videos on tell you how to cut your own hair. But I got y'all on for beginners, for dummies. How to cut your own hair for dummies. I got y'all on that. You know what I'm saying? The person who I used to watch 360 Jeezy. I used to watch a whole bunch of others, but main one was 360 Jeezy. Shouts out to him if you're watching the video, man. Boy, you really taught me how to cut my own shit, my boy. You wanna watch enough to where you feel like you like, alright, I got this, I can do this. That's why I started. I can do this. Alright, second tip, details. When you start being comfortable with detail, when you start being comfortable, when you feel like you about to cut your hair, details, pay attention to the details, man. Third tip. Y'all see me, bro? Third tip, you wanna pray. So when you start cutting your own hair, you don't wanna go in that bit, you know what I'm saying, thinking you know what you're doing. Pray first, cause you always gonna need Jesus. You're gonna need God to help you. Pray. I damn sure did, so why not you? Fourth tip, you gonna mess up. But if you mess up, bro, don't worry, bro. It take practice. What you wanna do, but it take practice. If you mess up, bro, don't beat yourself up, bro. Yeah, you gonna look fucked up. That's why motherfuckers live in their hats and hoods so you can wear that motherfucker. But if you going to school, I'm sorry to tell you, but you done fucked up, ain't wrong. But nah, if you mess up, bro, don't beat yourself up, bro. The good thing is, bro, at least somebody else didn't mess you up and you had to pay for it. You messed yourself up for free. It's bound to happen. You gon' fuck up once, twice, 3 times, 100 times. You gon' fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So just learn from that. Don't beat yourself up. And you know what I'm saying? What that is? That's the third. That's the fourth tip. 5th tip. Take your time, bro. You gotta be patient. Do not rush, bro. Hold up. I'm tripping. Oh, that was the 3rd tip. I'm tripping, bro. Bro, this is my first time. Please excuse me, bro. The 4th tip. This is the 4th tip right here. Take your time. Do not rush. You know what I'm saying? You got all the time in the world, bro. Don't rush, bro. If you rush, bro, yeah, it's gonna show. Take your time. Don't rush. And just be cool, bro. Be cool. You definitely gonna fuck up when you rush. So take your time. The 5th tip. Without 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the 5th tip. Details. Oh shit. Trip, my bad, y'all. Detail, bro. It's always, but especially little detail, but them little small details, they really add up. They really can make a difference, bro. There's always details. So once you done, you know what I'm saying, lining yourself up, you're not done. You know why? Because you ain't do the details. So you do a little rough line up. You know what I'm saying, you do a little rough one, and then you do a third. I do 3 of them. So I do a rough one, I do a pre cleanup, and then I do the final cleanup, which is the details. Matter of fact, the 4th one is the detail. But yeah, the more time you spend on details, the better your haircut will be. And that's a proven fact. I'm trying to tell you. 6th tip. You start feeling comfortable with you know what I'm saying, cutting your own hair. First start off by lining yourself up. Don't jump straight into the fade, bro. Don't jump straight into the fade. Line yourself up. I say about do that for like a couple weeks. Once you get comfortable, then you want to start, you know what I'm saying, working around, like start doing a little taper on the side. That's how I did. I started lining up my hair, and then I'm like, okay, let me step it up a notch. Let me go ahead and do a little taper. I started working on my taper, and then I was like, okay, after the taper, let me go a little higher. That's when I started doing the 10th fade. Then after that, I did a whole bunch of shit like mohawk. I fucked my mohawk up. I did a box fade. You know what I'm saying? That's great. And then I had a drop fade for a little minute too. Y'all know. But yeah, now I'm trying to get my temp back. You know what I'm saying? Trying to go on my hair and get my temp back. But yeah, start with your lineup first, bro. And then, you know what I'm saying, you want to crawl first, then you want to run and all that and fly and shit. But start with your lineup first, just pop, 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 pop. want to go ahead, jump to the fade and do all the zippy zappy deepy dabber, being all flashy, be my guest. They about to rush your ass, not me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you from experience. And last but not least, bro, 7-2, practice, 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 bro. The more you practice, the better you'll be, bro. That saying, practice make perfect, bro. That shit, it's fake. I'm just playing. That shit real, bro. That shit real, bro. So practice, 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 bro. And if you really want to be a barber, bro, go for it, bro. Like, go for it. You know what I'm saying? Do that shit, bro. I'm trying to tell you. One thing about being a barber or just cutting your hair, you ain't gotta go to a barber shop no more waiting in them 2 hour, 1 hour long ass line. You ain't gotta spend $40 plus, $30 plus every week on the lineup. Maybe a damn, you motherfuckers spending damn near $100 for a cut, $50. But hey, bro, cause that's how much I'm be charging. Shit, my shit getting better, so I'm gonna be charging that much. But hell yeah, I'm trying to teach y'all how to do it yourself, so you won't be doing, you know what I'm saying, coming out of pocket every damn week for a haircut. And then have yourself look good, and then it's something to learn. And then help you get you some side money, bro. If you need some real quick money and you know how to cut hair, all you gotta do is just hit a couple folks, hey, charge a cut dollar, bam, have that bitch trapped out, bro. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell you, bro, I have a goddamn college dorm trapped out so many years, like 2 years doing haircuts. Then I have my mama career trapped out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? With haircuts and shit, motherfuckers, had motherfuckers running in and out that motherfucker like, client done, had another client on the way, client done, had another client on the way. Man, I had that motherfucker trapped out, but anyway, y'all, practice, 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 and that's all I'm gonna tell you, man. 7 tips for cutting your own hair for beginners, for dummies. But it's all good, bro. This your boy Junior, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you want some more tips, let me know, bro. Let me know in the comments, bro. You interact with your boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm interact with you, interact with your boy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. Let me know what y'all wanna know next, huh? What's up? What y'all wanna know next, huh? What's up? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Bro, what's up, bro? What y'all wanna know next, bro? I can keep playing, bro. Y'all niggas not subscribed, I'm beating your ass. And motherfuckers that be in that YouTube outfits, yeah, I'm talking to you. You bet not got them strike my ass for all that cussing. Yeah, I know that was unprofessional. I'm sorry, guys. Promise I won't do it again, YouTube. I'm sorry, don't strike me. But yeah, and we out.